welcome to Chiquita's Crochet. I am back with the second part, I guess you can say, with the washi tape die cuts, which the only one I cut was the 12 by 12 that I showed from the last video. And this was the leftovers, I can say. That's it. That's all. But I did take the suggestion from the chat live yesterday. They wanted butterflies. So there's the first one. The dies that I used. I don't remember where I got them. Sorry, I was trying to find the, because it's a 4-piece. Well, actually, it's a 6-piece. I don't know where the other one's at. But this makes the outline, the black outline here, or the outline of the butterflies, these two. And this one does the background. So I did those. Whoop. I'll get it in a few. There's another one. I'm really loving these. I love that the black washi worked perfect for these outline butterflies. And the background of the Washi Master board that I did. This one, I accidentally, instead of doing it the opposite side like this, the black outline, I accidentally cut the background with black. And I was like, oh no, I messed up. But then I'm like, oh, I'll just put the opposite color on top for the outline. Then this little black thing here, right here, is like this cutout right here from the wing. And I decided to put it on the body so it can, make it pop a little. Same thing with the little one. As you can see right there, it's, hanging out. So those are, oops, antennas. And there's that one. I'm really, 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 really happy. So I'm going to have more, I'm going to do a whole 12 by 12 of only the black so I can die cut, the outlines of the butterfly. Then I did a frame that die cut. You can use both. Had in my stash. This background, I don't know what shape this is, but it looks like a background flower kind of thing. Did that, something different. A bow, which I think maybe it needs something else on the background, kind of like the butterfly, a black outline or something. Here are tags, which originally the tags I did first. Then I remembered somebody wanted butterflies. So here is the outline to that. So the big one is missing because since I told you I messed up and did, which one? I needed another black outline for the little butterfly. So I decided to scratch that one. So, but I'm keeping this outline. Then I made the tags, which, look at that. Isn't that cute? Now I need like something here, and it's woo. I'm really definitely excited. Then I decided to use these. I think it's frames also, but we can put a word on the middle of both. So that's what I thought of making those. I'm really loving this idea right here. That one right there. I think I'm definitely gonna glue that together. This maybe like that. Beautiful. So I just wanted to share what I made with a 12 by 12, and this is exactly the kind of paper I use, the orange. I'm hardly gonna use orange for myself. So, and I have multiples of these, like a big stack when Tuesday morning was around. See? So I used that one to put my washi in on. And that's it. That's the results. I love the butterflies. Hope you guys like this idea. Keep on going. And of course, this idea has been around, but I love, 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 love doing that. Look at that. Put it aside and add a word. The frame, probably right there, maybe. Or just in, it's too big for being inside. Just on the side, right there. Cute. Love it. Thank you so much for watching. Um, Stay tuned for, I think I'm going to do a Amazon small haul later. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.